Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have another contacts review as per usual. This one is with the company called Multicolorlab. If you guys hear any barking in the background, ignore that, it's my dog. I'm just gonna go straight into the unboxing to show you guys how the everything came. So obviously it did have some, if you order stuff online, they typically wrap it in other stuff. So it comes like this, but in another packaging, like what FedEx or whatever uses to deliver. But this is how everything looks as it comes. I love the color scheme, it's cute. Since I'm doing 4 contacts, I would assume the other 2 is in here, and then they provided the other 2 outside of this box that they have here. But the first color would be a brown. As you could see, when you open up the box, this is inside. You have the 2 contacts inside. So these colors are, okay, so this is a gray, right, and this is a blue. But I'll just probably insert this clip at the beginning of the video in the unboxing. I forgot to show you guys what comes inside each individual box. At the back they have caution about the contacts, I guess certain things to be aware of. Okay, on the inside we get the contact, the 2 contacts. We also get an outer case, and inside you see there's a case to put the contacts in once it's in solution. And then we get the 2 tools to insert and remove the contacts, which is all in this case. And lastly we get instructions on the contacts. But before I continue, I just want you guys to see my natural eyes. This is their blue contacts, and I could kind of see it does have like a tinge of blue on the outer ring. In the middle is more like a sky blue, and then on the very inner ring is kind of greenish color. So I will be zooming in so you guys get to see the color. So when I'm putting on contacts, guys, obviously my eye makeup is gonna get messed up, but this is how they look. So what I will say about these contacts is it is something that I would more wear for like a cosplay, you know, Halloween. Yeah, this is definitely like the contacts like if I want to go as a vampire or something. Yeah, if you're like lighter skinned or white and stuff, this would probably suit you a lot better than me. But this is how they look on brown eyes. So I'm gonna go straight into the next color. I'm gonna try the brown and then get back. Okay, so this color, obviously what I'm wearing is brown, the brown color. How these contacts are, they have like a tinge of green on the outside, and inner is like orangish, yellowish. I think the color would be amber. So it is a pretty color, but I'm sure it would look good on other people with, but typically browns, they don't suit me. Okay, so close up, I don't know if you guys could see what I was talking about. Right, so I'm gonna go straight into trying on the gray color. So I'm back, and this color is the gray. This is very, 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 very similar to the blue. I don't think it's as striking as the previous blue. The other one was it had a lot more blue to it on the second inner ring. So I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see what I mean. Okay guys, so on to the last color, which would be the green. Okay guys, so this is the last color that I am wearing. When you look at it from the viewfinder versus the ring light, it's like, whoa, this is definitely not a natural green color. Definitely not natural. It's very rich. It gives almost like cartoonish type green eyes. If that's the look like you're going for, perfect. But this isn't something that I would wear out. I could wear it for videos and such of that sort, but it is a cute color. So I didn't know you guys could see what I mean. Okay guys, so I just want to end this video by saying thank you Multicolorlab for sending me these contacts. I enjoyed doing this review, and see you guys in the next one. Toodles.